Welcome about Colebrook. Colebrook in the year 1783 came in the Madras Presidency. Colebrook latterly came in the year 1798 in Calcutta, and Vivadaran Sabha, the Bengali book, was translated by personality in the name Digest of the Hindu Law. In the year 1810, he translated Daibhag of Jimuto Bahan. So this is the famous work done by Colebrook. One is Digest of the Hindu Law. It is a version from Bengali translated into English as the Hindu Law, Digest of the Hindu Law. In the year 1810, he wrote the Daibhag of Jimuto Bahan in the English version. So it is a short on Colebrook. Thank you.